Today, I'm going to show you how to make French press coffee using a French press coffee machine. First, you're going to take the machine and take the plunger off and set it aside. Next, you're going to take some coarsely ground coffee and you're going to add it to the container. Generally, you use for every 4 parts water, you use 1 part coffee grounds. To make it simple for you all, if you use 4 cups of water, you need 1 cup of coffee grounds. Next, you're going to pour the water inside. Right here I have water from a kettle and I'm pouring inside the water. Following, I'll set the plunger back on top of the coffee machine and let it steep for about a minute to a minute and a half. After a minute to a minute and a half, I'm going to take the plunger and press downwards. And now the coffee is ready to be poured. And that's how you make French press coffee. Let me know if you have any questions.